Yeah, you ran. Get me a perimeter jig going and we'll
Well, I observed the vehicle and I turned around on it to initiate a traffic stop. The vehicle began to flee prior to me even activating my emergency lights on it. As I turned a corner on Candleberry Street, the vehicle was already stopped, the driver's door was open, and the passengers were outside of the vehicle, and they were stating that the driver had fled.
When I got here, they were running out of the truck and they said that the driver bailed on foot. I hear him crashing these woods.
In that area, it's a very rural area, so we typically have just a couple deputies out there. So to set up a good perimeter is very hard.
I called for our drone assets. Once it got airborne, we began to go ahead and do a survey of the area using thermal imaging sensors to try to locate a heat signature.
This gets pitch dark. So you have some street lights, but it gets pitch dark, and then the terrain is different. When we're there, we can't see 10 feet into the woods. We can't see 5 feet into the woods. We can basically see where our headlights go, and then that is it. So you have palm fronds, you have all the shrubs, you have everything like that going in there. You could hide in a lot very easily in Flagler County.
Deputy Moorhead and I were able to locate a heat signature in the brush line about 50 to 60 yards from my location.
One side of 223 jet directly above him.
He said he's right over him. He's gonna be like right over here somewhere.
So in this part, Deputy Moorhead actually identified the heat signature right here, and then Deputy Pravat's in the vehicle, which she's gonna pull up, and Deputy Moorhead is trying to guide us to where the subject is.
Should be in these pine trees right here, Jen. You wanna grab your Yeah, he's not coming out. I think he's behind that tree, which is why we can't see him. Yeah. He's right there. There he is. Jen, stack up.
We were able to get what we call a react team, which is a team of about 3 to 4 deputies available, and make contact with the individuals.
Let's to the right of that tree.
To the right of this tree?
Yeah, you'll see him. He's in black. There, son, put your hands up! Put your hands up! Do it now! Put your hands up! Do it now! You're gonna get tased! Lock. 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 Turn around.
The drone provides us with a level of safety and security that we're not walking into a situation blindly. We have eyes, and we know where the subject is at, and we know where we need to be looking and where we can disregard to an extent. And that really provides a level of safety that is paramount in law enforcement.
Definitely a scenario that you have to think outside the box and try to figure out what resources you're using. We had the resources in-house, and we were able to do everything very quickly. Without the drone or air support, we wouldn't have found him.